Hello guys, and welcome to this new Tableau tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create Lollipop chart in Tableau. Lollipop chart is a type of chart like bar charts, which is used to display a quantitative variable over a categorical variable. And in order to create that, we are going to use the orders table from the sample superstore dataset. You can find the link to download the dataset in the description. So first we go to the worksheet, click on sheet 1. We drag and drop subcategory into the columns, cells into the rows. We press Ctrl key and we duplicate our value. We click on the second one and we select dual axis. We click on the first one, we click on automatic and we convert it to bar. We click on size and we decrease the size of our bars. Same thing, we click on the second chart and we increase the size of our circles. We can change the color of the bars. For example, we can put it in gray. And same thing, also the color of the circles, for example, can depend on the sum of cells. So press Ctrl key and we drag and drop sum of cells into the color. We can edit colors, so we click edit colors. And for example, we can put green gold, apply, okay. So right click on the axis on the right, we remove the header. Same thing, we double click on the axis on the left, we remove the title. We right click on subcategory and we hide field labels for columns. We right click on our axis, rotate label. And we are going to format our worksheet. So right click, format. For the shading, we select black. For the grid lines, for the rows, we remove the grid lines. For the font, we are going to select everything in white. So put white, bold, and 10. We can change our title. So double click on the title. We put cells, right, by subcategory. Put it in the center, white, bold, and we put it, for example, 18. Apply, okay. We can format our title, so right click, format, and we add the border in white. We can also, for example, display the different values in the circles. So same thing, we press Ctrl key and we drag and drop some of cells into label. We click on label. For the alignment, it will be in the center. And same thing, we click on sum of cells, format. On numbers, we are going to select numbers custom, units thousands, decimal places 0 decimal places. And like that, we get our Lollipop chart for the different cells by subcategory. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.